Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about one of the most important aspects of work, productivity. With the right tools, you can get more done in less time and make your workday more manageable. In this video, we are going to explore 10 software tools that can help you increase your productivity at work. Trello, a project management tool that allows you to organize and prioritize tasks in a visual way. Todoist, a to-do list and task management app that helps you stay organized and on track with your tasks. Slack, a communication tool that helps teams stay connected and collaborate more efficiently. Evernote, a note-taking app that allows you to keep track of your ideas, thoughts, and to-dos in one place. Hootsuite, a social media management tool that helps you schedule and publish content on multiple platforms. Zoom, a video conferencing tool that allows you to connect with team members, clients, and partners from anywhere in the world. Google Drive, a cloud storage platform that lets you store, access, and collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, and other files from anywhere. Grammarly, a writing tool that checks your grammar and spelling, and provides suggestions for improvement. Asana, a project management tool that helps teams track and manage their work from start to finish. Focus at Will, a background music service that helps you focus and eliminate distractions. Conclusion. These are just a few examples of the many software tools that can help you increase your productivity at work. Whether you're looking to boost your efficiency, stay organized, or simply get more done in less time, these tools can help you achieve your goals. So why not give one or two a try today? Thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.